If you're thinking about using WebinarJam, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a purchase. Trust me, this software can be a game changer, but only if it's the right fit for your needs. So stick with me as I break down what makes WebinarJam stand out and what to watch out for compared to its competitors. And just so you know, you can try WebinarJam for free by clicking the first link below. First, WebinarJam is known for its high-level reliability. If you've ever run a webinar and dealt with interruptions or bad connections, you'll appreciate the quality this software offers. Unlike some alternatives like Zoom or GoToWebinar, WebinarJam has a unique cloud-based infrastructure that ensures your webinars run without a hitch. It's designed to handle thousands of attendees without dropping out or slowing down. If you're running a large-scale event, this reliability is a huge advantage. Next, let's talk about features. While tools like Zoom have grown in popularity, WebinarJam offers specialized features that really set it apart. You get customizable registration pages, built-in email marketing automation, and detailed analytics to help you measure your success. One standout feature is the replay room, where attendees can watch replays and still interact with your content post-event. That's something many other platforms, like Microsoft Teams, simply don't offer in the same user-friendly way. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Even if you're not tech-savvy, WebinarJam is intuitive enough for you to run a professional-looking webinar without a steep learning curve. Compare this with tools like GoToWebinar or Demio, where users sometimes report more complex setups or interface difficulties. WebinarJam's drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to set up and launch a webinar in minutes. The fourth thing to know is the pricing structure. WebinarJam has a higher price point than competitors like Zoom, but it's important to weigh that against the advanced features you get. Zoom's free plan offers some basic features, but if you're serious about scaling your webinar events, the paid plans don't compare in terms of customization and attendee engagement. WebinarJam's paid tiers include features like live chat and automated follow-ups, which are crucial for anyone looking to maximize conversions. Next, let's talk about integrations. If you're already using other tools for your business like CRMs or email marketing platforms, WebinarJam integrates with a wide range of third-party applications, including MailChimp and Salesforce. That seamless integration can save you time and ensure that your webinar workflow fits right into your existing system. It's something that's often limited or clunky with other platforms, but WebinarJam makes it easy. Now let's touch on customer support. WebinarJam has an excellent reputation when it comes to helping their users. Whether you need help setting up your first webinar or troubleshooting an issue, their support team is known for being responsive and helpful. This level of customer service can be a big deal when you're running important events. Some competitors like ClickMeeting have faced criticism for slower response times, so WebinarJam definitely holds an edge here. Finally, the last thing to know is how scalable it is. WebinarJam is perfect for businesses of all sizes, but what sets it apart is how it scales as your needs grow. It can handle events for hundreds of people, and it gives you the option to add extra features like automated webinars or virtual event hosting. So, whether you're just starting or you're running big corporate events, WebinarJam adapts to your needs, unlike other platforms that might require you to upgrade your entire package for just a few extra attendees. If you're interested in trying out WebinarJam, click the first link in the description to get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the chance to see if it's the right fit for your business before making a commitment.